Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Eevee. So, to start off with Eevee, we want to begin with the eyes. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a nice tall oval, just like this. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to put another oval right over here. Now, inside of these, I'm going to draw a small oval at the top. And then down here, I'm going to add like a circle shape, and then I'm going to put a little kind of moon shape in there. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. So I go up, and I curve down, back up, and then go down. Looks a little weird there. And then I'm just going to color this in. And you'll see why we do this when I get to the coloring part. Okay, next we want to draw the nose. So her nose is very tiny, and all it is just a very small little triangle. Then I'm going to draw two little lines coming down for eyebrows. And then she has a small mouth that just kind of goes down, back up, down, and then up again, kind of like a little stretched out W. Now for her head. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in a little bit, and then it's going to come back out like that. Then I'm going to just kind of swing around here, and I'm just going to bring this up to about here. Now, the ears are very tall. So, starting right here, I'm going to make a really tall curve line. And then I'm going to curve this back down like this. Now, for this ear, I'm going to curve out. And then I'm going to curve back in like this. Almost kind of looks like a Pikachu face. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down at a little angle. Then I'm going to put another one here. And then I'm just going to keep adding a few of these on here just to give it some hair. Then I'm going to draw a little line down like that. Now let's draw some details on the inside of the ear. So first, I'm going to make a little letter M. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to make a line that curves up and then curves back down for the inside of the ear. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Next, let's draw the fur on her chest. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves out. Then I'm going to bring it back, and then I'm just going to curve down again. Then I'm just going to make a couple little points on there, and just curve it down a little more. Then starting up here, I'm going to curve down, and then back up, and then curve down, make a couple points like that. Then I'm going to make another point, and I'm going to curve this up here. Then I'm going to make some more and draw another big curve up. Then I'm going to add a few more in some random spots, and then I'm just going to curve this back up here. Kind of looks like a little lion mane. Then I'm going to add a few extra little lines onto here, just to make it look like there's lots of fur on there. Now for her legs. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in and then out. And then I'm just going to swing around for a foot. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Go down and then come back up right to about there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And it's just going to curve around and come up like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line to connect them. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down like this for the other foot. Now for her tail. So I'm going to start right here and make a big line that curves up like this. And then I'm just going to put a little point on there. And then I'm going to just curve back around like this for her tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Eevee. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.